Listen and repeat sentences. I am. I am bewildered. I am bewildered. I am elated. I am elated. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I am starving. I am starving. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am exhilarated. I am exhilarated. I am not thirsty. I am not thirsty. I am spooked. I am spooked. I am 17 years old. I am 17 years old. I am from California. I am from California. I am in the lobby. I am in the lobby. I am in the theater. I am in the theater. I am in a. I am in a bus. I am in a bus. I am in a room. I am in a room. I am in the backyard. I am in the backyard. I am in a hospital. I am in a hospital. I am on the laptop. I am on the laptop. I am playing games. I am playing games. I am watching the television. I am watching the television. I am humming songs. I am humming songs. I am at a station. I am at a station. I am at a cafe. I am at a cafe. I am at a salon. I am at a salon. I am at a florist. I am at a florist. I am good at. I am good at calculus. I am good at calculus. I am good at cooking food. I am good at cooking food. I'm good at riding. I'm good at riding. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at dancing. I am getting a new hair color. I am getting a new hair color. I am getting married to my best friend. I am getting married to my best friend. I am getting late for the class. I am getting late for the class. I am getting smart. I am getting smart. I'm gonna go to the park. I'm gonna go to the park. I'm gonna do my homework. I'm gonna do my homework. I'm gonna cook bacon. I'm gonna cook bacon. I'm gonna fly to Miami. I'm gonna fly to Miami. I am trying to. I am trying to wake up early. I am trying to wake up early. I am trying to complete my tasks in time. I am trying to complete my tasks in time. I am trying to paint my house. I am trying to paint my house. I am trying not to cheat on my test. I am trying not to cheat on my test. I'm having an event tonight. I'm having an event tonight. I'm having a test in the evening. I'm having a test in the evening. I'm having a stomach ache. I'm having a stomach ache. I'm having a good time at the beach. I'm having a good time at the beach. I have a blue car. I have a blue car. I have a smartphone. I have a smartphone. I have a power bank. I have a power bank. I have schools from Monday. I have schools from Monday. I have read a novel. I have read a novel. I have ridden a camel. I have ridden a camel. I have done it. I have done it. I have eaten at the cafe before. I have eaten at the cafe before. I have written an email. I have written an email. I have decided to start a company. I have decided to start a company. I have decided to join a club. I have decided to join a club. I have decided to quit smoking. I have decided to quit smoking. I have decided to help you. I have decided to help you. I don't have to. I don't have to switch colleges. I don't have to switch colleges. I don't have to use the calculator. I don't have to use the calculator. I don't have to pack my bags. I don't have to pack my bags. I don't have to search for a job. I don't have to search for a job. I used to. I used to run every day. I used to run every day. I used to write a letter. I used to write a letter. I used to read lots of books. I used to read lots of books. I used to like fish. I used to like fish. I wanna talk to you. I wanna talk to you. I wanna visit the museum. I wanna visit the museum. I wanna order pizza. I want to order pizza. I want to listen to the latest podcast. I want to listen to the latest podcast. I gotta obey the rules. I gotta obey the rules. I gotta brush my hair. I gotta brush my hair. I gotta make more money. I gotta make more money. I gotta impress my teacher. I gotta impress my teacher. I would like to become a scientist. I would like to become a scientist. I would like to learn English. I would like to learn English. I would like to meet Cristiano Ronaldo. I would like to meet Cristiano Ronaldo. I would like to answer all your questions. I would like to answer all your questions. I am planning to relax on vacation. I am planning to relax on vacation. I am planning to learn a new language. I am planning to learn a new language. I am planning to surprise my friend. I am planning to surprise my friend. I am planning to wash my clothes. I am planning to wash my clothes. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to trouble you. I didn't mean to trouble you. I didn't mean to offend you. I didn't mean to offend you. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to disturb you. I didn't mean to disturb you. I promise to. I promise to speak the truth. I promise to speak the truth. I promise to get good grades. I promise to get good grades. I promise to start the task by tomorrow. I promise to start the task by tomorrow. I promise not to disturb you. I promise not to disturb you. I'd like to work in Google. I'd like to work in Google. I'd like to buy candies. I'd like to buy candies. I'd like to move to LA. I'd like to move to LA. I'd like to watch a horror movie. I'd like to watch a horror movie. I'd rather complete my project early. I'd rather complete my project early. I'd rather eat at home. I'd rather eat at home. I'd rather go out tonight. I'd rather go out tonight. I'd rather jog. I'd rather jog. I feel like swimming. I feel like swimming. I feel like studying. I feel like studying. I feel like taking a day off. I feel like taking a day off. I feel like making friends. I feel like making. If you're watching our videos and enjoying it, don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, and connect with us on Instagram.